Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay.
Lahat ng mga komplain nyo, sasagutin ko lahat yan.
Hello, do you need a tray? Tray? Oh, okay. Complete na yan.
Natapos na nga pala yung work court, no?
Anyway. Here you go. There you go. Have a good day. Thank you. Galing ko, ano? Instinct. Tama.
Dito ko nga pala, sir. Nakakalimutan.
Big Mac? No pickles? Hello. Medium Coke. Full? Okay. Sorry about this. Can you pull over the next window? Thank you. Here you go.
Where?
And then, can you pull over in the next window for your McFlurry? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Hello, sir. You have a good day. Oh, wait a second. There you go. Yeah. See ya. Have a good day.
Ano yan, 2 large fries?
Yeah, 2 large fries. That's the first window. McFlurry. McFlurry. There you go. We're just waiting for your fries. Can you pull over next window? Number 2, reserve 2. Reserve.
Let's do a follow-up.
Hello, sorry about the wait. Here you go. Thank you. Have a good day. Ano? Snack size McFlurry Oreo. Yeah, Oreo. Hello, sorry about this. Can you pull over the next window? Thank you. That's in the next window. Yeah, 1 snack size and 1 regular.
Alright, question.
That's the regular one?
Yeah.
There you go. Have a good day. 10 nuggets? Reserve 2? Can you give this to them? Reserve 2. Hello! Medium iced coffee. What's that?
Unwrapping nuggets.
Yep, it's coming. Thank you. Here you go, sir. Have a good day. Iced coffee? Oops, sorry. No fries? Hello, 2 junior chicken and vanilla chai frap. And you have a good day. See ya. Brittany, here you go.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Do you work here?
Oh, part-time.
Oh, thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Have a good day. Yo. Hello.
Hi.
Here's your lemon. And straw. And then, can you pull over in the reserved one? We're just waiting for your food. Sorry about that. Thank you. McDouble? 2 McDouble. Hello, 2 McDouble. Have a good day. Big Mac? There's the Big Mac. Hello, medium Coke.
Thank you.
One Big Mac, one medium and large fries. Have a good day. Hello. Here's your drinks. Can you pull over and reserve number 2? We're just waiting for your food. Thank you. Yeah. Here's your receipt. Serve that.
Gotta pay for a coffee.
Oh. Is it here? How do you do that?
Suspicious pay debit.
Oh. Oh. Debit.
Okay, thanks.
Yes. Okay lang po. That's it? Here you go pa.
Thank you.
Ingat pa. Oh, didn't work? Sorry. Didn't work. Opo.
Okay, ito na lang. Wala. Wala pa ako.
Okay lang po.
Gusto siguro pera.
Hindi, travel eh. Aba, ingat po. Hello, medium fries and medium iced coffee.
Thank you.
Straw, and you have a good day.
Thank you.
Happy Meal? Front counter? Front counter?
No.
Oh, drive-thru? Oh, pull ahead. Oh, pull ahead, yeah. All good?
Yeah.
Hello. Can you give it to reserve number 2?
Okay.
Thank you. Where did they go? There? Here you go, sir. Take the cone. Thank you. Have a good day. Hello, small coffee black. Thank you. Have a good day. Medium Fruitopia. Medium Fruitopia. Sorry, medium Coke. Medium Coke. Have a good day. Double quarter cheese. Ooh. Medium fries. Hello. Double quarter, medium fries. Medium strawberry Protopia. Have a good day. Hi.
How are you?
Green tea? Good. Really good.
Feel cute, I think.
No, I'm not. And here's your vanilla. Cool.
I can have a stab.
You
Oh
know
my
what?
god!
That's pretty, eh?
Thank you.
There you go.
See you later.
See ya. Have a good day. No, I don't. I need a medium fry. Hello, sir. Chipotle barbecue. Medium Coke. Have a good day.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.